Now, let's have an example naman po. Yan. Na meron ng shipping point prepaid, meron pang discounts, and yung freight. Yan. So, let's assume that this list price for A ay seller's perspective naman. Yan. Seller's perspective and gawin natin siya ng net and gross method. So, meron ba tayong yan, merong shipping date, received on, and payment date. Let us just assume that our invoice date will be the shipping date. Yan, si shipping po. Yan. Tingnan nga natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng discount. Yan, mukhang magkakaroon naman tayo ng discount. So, let's assume that the shipping date will be our invoice date din. Okay, dahil doon tayo magbibilang ng ating cash discount. Yan. Invoice date is the same as shipping date. So, doon magbibilang ng 15 and 15 dito 10. Let's assume that letter A is seller's perspective naman. Yan. Kasi kanina we have buyer's perspective. Here, sir, ano yung ginamit nating system of inventory? Since we make use of purchase, ayan, this one is, ano pong ginamit? Of course, periodic system of inventory. Yan. Para makita nyo ulit yung purchase. Yan. And you have purchase discount. Because if we use merchandise inventory, lahat to pupunta kay merchandise inventory. Even the purchase discount will go to your merchandise inventory. Same goes for this one. The purchase will go to your merchandise inventory. But this one, the purchase discount loss, since this is other expense, will not form or will not become an increase in your merchandise inventory. It will remain as purchase discount loss, whether you use perpetual or periodic. Okay? So purchase discount loss will remain the same whether you use perpetual or periodic, since it is an expense title. Now let's make use of letter A as our example for seller's perspective. Yan. This is valid as sales, or the invoice date is December 12, 2019. So, meron na ba tayong valid sale on 12/12 at shipping point? Let's say, again, the end of the period count lang, tinitingnan natin kung i-include ba natin to or i-exclude sa December 2019 transaction. Since this is shipping point, yan, ibig sabihin we have a valid sale already since this is already shipped on December 12 at pasok siya kay 2019. So meron tayong sales and this is an AR transaction. Sir, saan mo nakukuhang AR yan? Okay. Since you are given credit period, ito po siya, 2, 10, and 30, meaning 2% within 10 days ang pwede mong i-deduct. Pay the entire invoice amount within 30 days. Yan yung ibig sabihin ni N30 na hindi ko nabanggit kanina. So, simply, ibig sabihin nun, utang siya ng ating customer dahil you are given 30 days to pay pa. And actually, yun nga, magkakaroon ka ng discount kung nagbayad ka daw within 10 days. Definitely, pinautang natin dito yung customer natin. List price is 55,000 pesos. So, we have 55,000 pesos as our list price. And we know that we have to deduct something from it pa. The, how much? 5% and 15%. Yan, 5 and 15. How much would be our sales talaga after deducting 5% from 55,000? Yan, minus 0.05. Careful, baka maging 0.5 yan. Of your 55,000 pesos. 52,250. And further, subtract 15% from 52 to 50. Our sales price or our sales is amounting to 44,412.5. Let's see kung tama. Minus 0.5 na, okay, tama. So this is our AR and sales. We're not going to use perpetual here kasi wala namang binigay pong cost, no? Hindi tayo agad makaka-check ng ating or makaka-move ng COGS and merchandise inventory. Yan. If you are given yun, markup percentage at sinabing perpetual system ang ating ginagamit, that's the only time na magkakaroon kayo ng COGS and merchandise inventory. Since ayaw ko kayong pahirapan sa ating sample, yan lang muna tayo. AR and sales lang. Now, it is paid. May freight pa pala. No? Let's check if the freight is ours. This is shipping point and sabi ko, assume natin that we are the seller. So since this is the seller's perspective, we are not going to record the freight since it's shipping point. But nakita nga natin na aside from the shipping point, it is prepaid. So tayo ang nagbayad ng freight amounting to 1,200. So AR natin is not really just 44,412.5 because on top of the sales na on account, the customer has to pay the freight but actually was paid by us. Yun. So the AR here is 45,612.5. Now let's see if this is paid within the discount period or not. Yan. Let's have the gross method and the net method. And what if they are paid? Kasi natin to, lagay natin sa taas. What if they paid within and outside the discount period? Yan. Assume na natin parehas. But in this transaction, nabayaran niya ba within the discount period? Sabi natin, the invoice date will be same as the shipping date. Yan. So, 12, you are given 10 days. And ng ating discount period will be December 22. Since they paid on December 20, pasok sa discount period. Therefore, aside from the 5% and 15% na binawas natin earlier, pwede natin siyang or dapat natin siyang bawasan ng discount. Since we made use of gross method na earlier, yan, on, kailan daw? December 20, yan, paano natin siya babayaran? Yan, sabi natin meron tayong sales discount na nabigay. So sales discount is based on your sale, not on your AR. Okay? Mamamali po kayo kapag ginamit natin si AR dahil nandyan yung cash that we paid for our customer for their freight. And that's not the case. Your sales discount is only based on your sales. You are given further 2% discount. Therefore, your AR, yan, that is 45,612.5 is paid as follows, no, by your customer. If they paid within the discount period, which is December 20 nga. Yan. December 20, you have cash na gusto nating makuha. But we have the sales discount nga. No? And gross method, same sa katulad nung ginawa natin kay purchase discount earlier. If you're using gross method, yan, wala pa tayong ina-assume na 2% discount sa ating sales onset of the problem or onset of the sale. Wala siyang na-record na 2% discount, only the trade discount. Now, how do we record the sales discount? Let's just get the 2%, 0.02 of not 45,612, but your sales. Yan, 888.25. So our cash paid or cash received from our customer is only 44,724.25. Andyan na rin po yung freight na binayaran natin para sa kanila. Yan, natanggap na rin natin. Since we assume that during their payment of this sale to them, we also got etong freight na binayaran natin para sa kanila. Okay? What if net method yung ginamit natin, sir? Yan. Hindi gamitin natin. Huwag kayong agit. Yan. Cash. Diyan pa rin. And sales. Same. The difference would be your sales will be deducted with further 0.02 agad, no? Na discount even though wala pa tayong definite na discount at this day kasi invoice date pa lang to, kakabili pa lang natin. So our cash is still 1,200 for the freight in of the customer that we paid. So our AR here ay this one and this one. May nakikita bang pattern? 'Di ba? Parehas, no? And on December 20, since nagbayad sila within the discount period, yan, our AR will be collected ng buo lang, no? For 44,724.25. And wala na tayong ide-deduct na kahit anong cash discount since it's already been deducted onset of our sales. No, kahit hindi pa niya nakikita kung matitake niya ba or hindi, as if nabigay niya na yung sales discount. Sir, pwede po bang i-assume natin, paano kung hindi sila nakapagbayad within December 22? Ano po yung December 22? That is your invoice date plus 10 days after. So, let's assume, yan nga, na on December 25 pa sila nakapagbayad. What will happen? Gross method ulit tayo and net method. Still, we're using periodic system, no? Actually, oo, periodic system. Simple dahil walang cost of goods sold and merchandise inventory. Wala po tayong pwedeng maging assumption. Makahaba yung usapan natin pag naglagay pa ako ng assumption ng cost of goods sold. Let's just assume that this is periodic system. Yan. And they paid outside the credit, the discount period. Initially, your AR is 45,612.5. So, yun lang po yung dapat mangyari. Bayaran natin ng buo si 45,612.5. So, or matanggap natin siya since we are the seller. So, this is already your entry on December 25. Should the customer in our first transaction did not take our discount. What if net method yung gamit, Sir Guy? Binawas mo na yung discount nila. Kaso hindi naman nila kinuha. No problem. Actually, it's not our loss. It's their loss. Di ba? Purchase discount, loss. Therefore, if it's loss on purchase on the buyer side, of course, gain naman natin to on our seller side. It will not form part of our sales either, katulad nung nangyari sa purchase discount loss na never will be included in your merchandise inventory na. How do we account for this? Sabi natin, kailangan matanggap natin or matanggap natin ng buo ang 45,612.5. Dahil nga, wala silang nakuha na discount. So, your AR here is only amounting to how much? 44,724.25. Now, yung kulang natin or kulang nila pala will now become the sales discount forfeited. Yan. That is what we call sales discount forfeited. Unlike kay purchase discount loss, the sales discount forfeited is credited. Why? Because kung purchase discount loss ni buyer, ang hindi po na-take na sales discount naman ng ating buyer will be our gain. So this is other income or gain or what we call gain. Sales discount forfeited. Yan. Extend natin. Baka makita nyo lang ay sales discount. Sabihin nyo pa, mali-mali yung turo. Ayan. So what will be the sales discount forfeited? You will see that the sales discount forfeited is just the same as the supposedly sales discount should the customer avail the discount. Kaso nga, hindi umabot. December 25 sila nagbayad. And you are given only 10 days. Yan. Para magbayad. So that is how you record the discount on top of this ano ba to? Trade discount na binigay ni supplier. Tayo pala si supplier. Now, lagyan natin ng mass ng excitement. Lagyan natin ng return. No? Return. And balik tayo kay purchase or kay buyer's perspective. Yan. Buyer's perspective na letter B. Yan. Let's still go for the list price of 82,500. So, on December 31, is this a valid purchase on our side? Still, we ask or we look at the destination or shipping point. Destination, na-receive naman natin daw siya within the year or within December 31. So, this is definitely a valid purchase. Yan. So, let's make use of the gross method and the net method. Purchase sa gross muna tayo. Further, how much is our purchase? Let's compute. Yan. You have a list price amounting to 55,000 pesos. 55 ba ulit? 82.5 pala. Yan. And we deduct 10% and 10%. So after 10% and 10%, how much is really our gross purchase? 82,500. Multiply na lang natin kay 90. No? Ay, sorry. Ano nangyari? 90 na lang talaga. 90% dapat. Yan. And also, 0.9 to get our gross purchase amounting to 66,825. Now, since we already have the gross purchase without the or sans, the trade discount. Let's ask naman, atin ba yung shipping or the freight? Again, hindi. No? So wala tayong freight in. Let's see kung tayo ang nagbayad. Since this is prepaid and we are the buyer, wala rin tayong cash na nilabas for the freight amounting to 2,300. Okay? So, pinapadali mo lang ata yung buhay nyo. Actually, hindi ko siya ina-assume lang natin, no? Na buyer and seller, buyer and seller. So, I don't know kung ano yung matatamaan ng alin. So, that's already our purchase. Accounts payable, 66,825. What if we're using net ulit? Ayan. This purchase will now be different. Ayan. In what sense? Yun nga, sabi natin that your purchase is already deducted with the cash discount, even though it's not yet taken or duly taken. 3%. So we deduct 0.03 from 66,825. That is our purchase. And our purchase will be on net side or net method ay 64,820.25 lamang. So, ayan. Let's assume na may discount, no? Or nakuha at tingnan natin kung nakuha ba nila yung discount. They paid on January 10. No? So, on January 10 na nila nabayaran. On January 10, meron bang makukuhang discount si customer? Ito, yung ginagawa natin. Let's see. No? Sabi dyan, our shipping date is 12/15. Yan. And you were only given 15 days to pay. Therefore, our assumption ay, or in this case, dapat makapagbayad siya on December 30. Kasi nga sabi natin, the shipping date is the same as the invoice date. That is our only assumption. So, ba't October 1 to? January 10. Nagbayad. Therefore, they are way past the deadline. Although, pasok pa naman sila sa credit period na 60 days. Yan. So, gross method, ano po to? We have to pay our payable amounting to 66,825. Since wala siyang discount, yun, we just pay the entire purchase. Cash, 66,825. However, in that method, yan, nagkaroon ng payment outside the discount period. So what will happen here is your accounts payable amounting to 64,820 is not really just the payable amount. We know that 66,825 should be our payment to our supplier dahil wala tayong nakuhang discount from them. Therefore, this is a purchase discount loss. PDL na lang since you know that this is purchase discount loss already. Amounting to how much? The should have been discount which is 2,004.75. Let's see kung yan ba talaga ang ating should have been purchase discount. Okay. What if they paid within naman? AP, let's say 12/29. Our AP is 66,825 sa ating gross method. However, may purchase discount. Purchase discount. Yan. which is credited, sorry, amounting to how much? 3% of our 0.03 of, ay, 0.03 of our purchase. Saan yung purchase natin? Ito, parehas lang naman sila ng purchase. Wala tayong magiging problema. Ba yan? Yari, times 0.0, 2004.75. So, tama. The should have been purchase discount is 2004.75. Therefore, should they have taken the discount, the only cash they should pay to their supplier is yan, same as yung initial recording ng payable ni net method. So, let's say ulit, December 29, nakapagbayad. Okay. Pagbayad si customer. Yan. You will only pay the AP amounting to 64,820. And you will not record any purchase discount na because it's already ano ba to? Recorded initially and it is recorded with your purchase na. 64,820. Again, whether they take the discount or not, whether they use net or gross method, the cash paid to your supplier will always be the same. Yeah. They did not take the discount. The cash they paid to their supplier is the same. Okay. They did not take, they take the discount. The cash they paid to the supplier is the same. What if nagkaroon tayo ng return? Yan. After our payment. Ganun nga yung nangyari. Nagbayad na tayo, na-receive natin yung ating, yan. Kuha natin siya ng January 10. So, let's say, January 12, nakita natin, or na-check na natin yung mga purchase natin. And sabi natin, our purchase, yan, list price of 82,500. Wag na natin pahirapan, no? Yan. Sige, pahirapan natin. Let's say you have a return amounting to list price. Yan. Amounting to list price na 12,000 pesos. Nag-return tayo, but December 12. January 12. Yan. Huh? January 12. Bakit? Okay. Jan 12. Yan. Okay. We have a list price of returns amounting to 12,000 pesos na list price. Okay. Paano yung magiging process natin ng return dyan? Okay. Alam natin na originally, hindi nila na-take yung discount. No? So, yun ang magiging assumption natin. Alisin natin tong assumption na na-take nila yung discount. Yeah. What would happen if the discount is not taken in my return? Parang madali. No? Nakikita nyo na. Yan. Ang gagawin lang natin, since we know that the list price is deducted with how much? 10 and 10. Yan. Our returns should be multiplied first ulit since sabi, list price ang binigay sa atin. So, 12,000 times 0.9 times 0.9 ulit. Yan. This is the value of our return. So, how do we record the return nga? If it's gross method, yung ginawa natin, no? Purchase. purchase return is on credit. PRA. Yan pala yung sinabi ko kanina. We have 9,720 of returns. And since this is already paid, yan, on January 10, and binalik natin siya ng January 12, sabi ko, pwedeng natanggap nyo rin agad si 9,720. No? Pwedeng cash agad, kaliwaan. Kaso, seldom lang nangyayari siya. Nagiging advances from two suppliers natin siya, which is a receivable account from our suppliers. Yun siya. No? Pero sige, wag na natin guluhin ang ating buhay. Kunyari na lang, kaliwaan. Nung ni-return mo yung goods na list price of 12,000, you got cash amounting to 9,720 rin. Since hindi mo naman nakuha yung discount. 'Di ba? Yan. And in your net method, yan, hindi ito cash na 9,720 rin. No? Bakit? Kasi nga, it is your purchase here ay deducted with purchase discount na even though makuha mo siya or hindi. Therefore, the returns that you will only recognize ay 9,720 subtracted further with 3% discount or the 90.97% na 97.97. Yan. 9,428 lamang ang ating returns in net method of accounting for the returns with the discount na. No? Kasi net method. What if, sir, ang daming what if, ayoko na. Yan. What if nakuha talaga nila? December 29, nagbayad na sila. And on December 30, may returns. Yan, na-check agad din nila. How do you record the returns? Yan. Since dito, nakapag-discount kayo, ayan, your return should not have the discount. Yan. Anong gagawin natin? So, the purchase returns and allowances, yan, will have the amount na, yan, will have to receive cash. Diba? Dahil nga meron tayong isinauli. And meron din tayong purchase returns and allowances na kailangang i-recognize. Also, meron tayong kailangang ibalik na purchase discount dahil nga part of our purchase will not have the purchase discount anymore. Anong part yon? Yung 12,000. Diba? Our cash here ay not 9,720, but the purchase returns natin ay 9,720. Yan. Ito yung ating purchase. And the discount related to this ay how much? Sorry. Mm-hmm. Yan. Purchase discount from or related to our purchase kanina ay 9,720. Katulad dito, nagkaroon siya ng discount na 3%. Ibabalik natin ngayon yung discount na 3%. Related to what? To the 12,000 list price na naging 9,720 nga. Okay? 9,720 multiplied by 0.03. This is the attributable purchase discount na dapat nating isauli. Kasi nga nagkaroon tayo ng purchase return. Okay? So since wala tayong, binawasan natin yung purchase discount, yung ating purchase, the return is for the whole amount of 9,720. Mawawalan tayo ng purchase. na amounting to 9,720. And the cash that will be given to us by our supplier, kung kaliwaan man, ay kano kaya? 9,428 lang, 0.4. Yan lang yung matatanggap nating reimbursement from our supplier. Since meron tayong na-discountan na returns. Okay? Sinauli natin, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung 5 pentel pen, na-discountan mo yung buong 5. Kapag nagsauli ka ng isa, etong 2004 is related to the 5. Yan. Etong sinauling isa, yan yung tinatawag nating 291.6 na inalis muna natin as purchase discount because really, it's not a purchase discount. So our purchase discount lang talaga in this case, kung nagkaroon ng returns ay not 2004.75. It's actually just 1,713.15. Yan. What if you use net method? Yan. Okay, balik natin. Hayaan natin nandyan yan. You will just have to return. Yan. A part of your cash and purchase returns and allowances. Mas madali. No? Na dahil whether or not may discount ka makuha or wala. Yan. Nakasama na siya sa iyong purchases. So 9428.4 ang ating um, 9428.4. Ay wow, ang galing. Oo nga. So ganun pa rin. Equals to 9428.4 ang ating returns. Yan. So the cash you will be receiving as reimbursement from your supplier is the same. No? Whether you use gross or net method. It's just that the purchase discount here is not accounted for. No? Yeah. So, may purchase discount loss po ba tayo dyan sa purchase returns na ginawa? Wala na po. Opo, kasi binawas na rin natin siya sa mismong purchase returns. Kung makikita natin, purchase returns natin and gross method ay 9,720. While here, our purchase returns ay 9,428 na lang din. Kumbaga, nakahalo na rin doon si purchase discount. No? Wala dapat siyang discount, net method, whether you like it or not, nakahalo na yan. So, nakahalo na rin nung binalik mo yung 12,000 na list price. Okay? So, nakakalito lang, you just have to practice a lot. Yan. Last sample tayo. Yan. Let's have the destination collect or letter D. So, you may use or you may do on your own letter C. Pwede nyo siyang pag-practice. Let's do letter D and the seller's perspective naman. Yan. Seller's perspective, December 31, pasok pa rin yan. Yan. Whether it is destination or shipping point. Since it's destination, you have to check. Na-receive ba ni customer ng December 31? Yes. So, we have valid sale on December 31. Let's use gross method again muna. Then net method. Napakadaming nangyari, sir. Hindi ko na alam. Wala na ako naintindihan sa sinabi mo. Ulitin mo lang ulit yung video. Ayan. Since this is sale, yan, you have list price amounting to 80,000. Computin natin ang ating gross sale. List price natin ay 80,000. Yan. You are given 10 and 5. So, 0.9 dahil babawas natin yung 10%. Yan. And 5. So, times 0.95 na lang. Yan. Our sales ay 68,400 for the gross method. Now, is it our freight? Yes. Dahil this is destination and we are the seller. Sale, no? So, freight out amounting to how much? 2,150. Yan. Tayo ba ang nagbayad? Collect. So, ang nagbayad ng ating freight na 2,150 is your customer. Therefore, this will be deducted from their AR, which is 68,400. Instead of 68,400, you will only receive from them 66,250. Yan ay wala pang discount and everything. Net method naman, we have freight out pa rin, yan magbabago. And sale. Sale ang magbabago dahil we assume that the sale will have the further cash discount amounting to 4%. Yeah. This is sale minus 0.4. Let's just have times 0.96. 65, 6,664. Our freight out is still 2,150. Hindi yan magbabago. So our AR from our customer will only be how much? And 63,514. That is because, yun nga, we assumed na meron na tayong binigay sa kanilang sales discount even though di pa sila nagbabayad. You are given 10 days ulit from the invoice date, which is December 30. And we know that December 31 is included in the count. So, 31 plus 10, yan. Our first assumption or the problem is actually calling for a non or a payment without or outside the discount period. Yan. So if that is the case, tingnan natin. January 1, sorry, January 10, yan. It's outside the discount period. Again, you were only given 10 days. Kaso, 11th day ka nagbayad. Sir, paano mo binilang? Kasi po, may December 31 pa. Na plus 10, you will have 11 days. Okay, so it's outside the discount period. Ang dami na nangyayari, sir. Ayoko na. You just have to practice. Practicein nyo tong letter C sa seller's perspective, buyer's perspective, at gross method at net method. Yan. On January 10, outside the discount period. So, we have cash. Nagbayad si customer and our AR lang ng buo. Walang problema. Yan. However, kapag net method, nagkakaroon siya ng problem. In what sense? Nagkakaroon siya ng sales discount forfeited, which is good dahil hindi nila nakuha or gain natin yon dahil we are aggressive in giving them discount and hindi pa nila tinake. No? Mabait na nga tayo, hindi pa nila kinuha. So, we have cash pa rin and AR here. But we know that we have sales discount forfeited, which is another gain or other income na tinatawag. So how much is our sales discount forfeited? Sales discount forfeited is the should have been gotten or availed discount from your AR, from your sales. Diba? Dapat 65,644. But you have to revert it back to your 66,250 na buo. No? 66,250 ang dapat nating makolekta dahil wala ngang discount na nakuha si customer. But your AR is just how much? 63,514. Our sales discount forfeited now, if they paid outside the discount period, is 2,736. Yan, 2,736. What if they paid within the discount period? Ang daming nangyayari, sir. Okay lang yan, at least na-exercise kayo. No? Let's say they paid on January 5. Yan. What will happen? Cash and your AR. AR is 66,250 sa ating gross method. Okay? But we know that your cash um, received from your customer will be diminished by what? Your sales discount. Yan, on gross method. What will be your sales discount? Do not use 66,250 because your sale is 8,000, 68,400. There you multiply 0.04%, which is, diba magic, 2,736 ang ating sale discount. So our cash to be collected from our customer will only be 63,514, which is your supposedly AR and your net method. And net method, however, if you did not get or if your customer did not get the sales discount, yan, you will have, or sorry, if your customer took the discount pala, ito yung assumption natin, nagbayad sila within the discount period naman, yan, you will have the AR from the total AR kanina. How much? Yan. Ganun lang kasimple po. Walang discount ulit na ni-recognize because initially, yan, nabawas mo na siya dito. Here, 63,514. Nabawas mo na dyan agad yung sales discount. Yan. Instead of 68,400, 65,664 lang yung sales mo initially. Therefore, same, no? Your cash collected from your customer ay parehas. Lagyan natin ng return. Return if they took the discount na lang para mas mahirap. No? Para mas mahirap. However, ang binigay na ay kano kaya? 10,000 na invoice price na. Yan. Invoice price, not list price. Therefore, wag na po nating bawasan ng trade discount si 10,000. Yung ginawa natin kanina kay purchase dito, na nagkaroon ng purchase discount ng returns, yan, binawasan natin si, saan na yun? Ito, si 12,000 since ang binigay natin ay list price, no, na 12,000 daw. Here, binawasan natin ng 10% and 10% ulit to get 9,720. Kasi nga, list price ang assumption natin ng return. However, the return here for our next transaction ay hindi na list price. Invoice price na agad. Mabait na po ako. Huwag na nyo pong bawasan ng trade discount. Okay? So, our invoice price ay 10,000 na. So, we returned 10,000 amounting amount. Ano ba? We have a sales return. Nagbalik daw sa customer ng 10,000 na invoice price na. Ibig sabihin, nakabawas na daw dito si trade discount. So, wag na kayo magbawas ng trade discount. So, if the case is nakapagbayad sila within the discount period, how do we return this 10,000 pesos? Yan. We have purchase returns ulit amounting to 10,000 kasi yun nga ang invoice price na binalik. How much will be reimbursed by our supplier? Of course, we know that but purchase return to. This is Mali, ano ba yan? Sales pala tayo. Sales, return, and allowances na 10,000. Yan. Sales na. Di pala tayo purchase, di tayo buyer. So, bawas sa sales natin na 10,000 invoice price. However, we know na they took sales discount dito. No? Yun yung assumption natin. Kung na-take nila, bawasan natin yung sales discount. Yan. Amounting to how much? Of course, magkano yung sales discount? 4%. And 4% of 10,000. So, times 0.04. Yan. This is the sales discount. Therefore, our cash reimbursement to our customer naman ay only, bawas. Ay, nako. Minus. Ay, haro Diyos ko. Yan. Cash natin na dapat ibalik kay customer ay 9,600. Sir, paano kung naka-net method ka? Yan. Simple na lang yan. Since na-take nila yung discount, sales return mo and allowances will be how much? 10,000 without the discount or equal to 9,600. Then your cash will be 9,600 lang din. That's how you record returns and discounts in merchandising transaction. Now, from there, you can get this one. Ito yung gusto lang natin makuha. The net sales and the net purchase para makapag compute kaya ng gross profit. Yan. Because you have to get the net sales, yan, which is the gross sales or your sales without the discounts and your returns. Also, in computing for your actual inventory count, what you add to your beginning inventories are your net purchase, yan, which is gross purchase plus your freight-ins and your discounts and minus discounts in your allowances. So that's the end of our merchandising transaction. You just have to know that this is how you get the gross profit. Yan. Using the markup method, markup percentage method. Yan. And also the cost of goods sold method or the actual inventory count method. So practice, 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 and good luck on your ano ba, exams and your second quiz. Thank you so much and please practice. Practice this one. Letter C. Assume that you are both the buyer or the seller. Babaliktarin niyo lang siya. Still shipping point and collect. What if you took the discount? What if you did not take the discount? What if you use gross method? What if you use net method? Okay. Bye guys and thank you.